Hey guys, I'm Ron.
And I'm Swati. Welcome to Travel Advisor.
Guys, today we are in Sydney and we are traveling to Treachery Camp Seal Rocks, which is around 300 kilometers north of Sydney. And we have something exciting to show you guys.
This is the first time we are hiring a camper van and we are going camping.
Yes guys, so we have taken this camper van from Apollo and we'll do a quick tour of the camper van and show you around.
Come on, let's take a look inside.
So guys, this camper van is for two people. So if you can see here, there's a cockpit where there's two seats. You have a sink with a water supply. It has an external water tank. Then you have the gas burner, which is 2-burner gas with a cylinder outside. You have some storage space around here. You have a microwave and you have a refrigerator which is here. So guys, remember that microwave will only work when your campsite has an external power supply which you can plug into the camper. However, the refrigerator works on the battery of the camper van, so it will work along. There is a lot of cutlery which is provided in the camper van, as you see. If I turn around here, you have the entire place for seating, and this gets converted into a sleeping area at night. And there's a lot of storage where you can put your stuff inside these boxes. If you see on top, there are lights around, so it's pretty well covered. So Swati, do we need anything else?
I think we have everything. Let's hit the road now.
Let's do it. We have taken food from Hungry Jack's and this is social distancing. We are inside our camper van and that is how we are having our food. Driving the camper van is not that difficult. So if you are habituated in driving a big SUV or a minivan, it will find similar. The only constraint is that you have to manage the road. It's a big car, so you have to take care of the road. And from a license perspective, a normal car license works. So most of the camper vans you can use using your normal car license. But it's pretty straightforward. In the city, I had some problems considering it's a big vehicle. But once I'm on the highways, it's perfectly fine. We are finally reaching the campsite. It's like around 500 meters. It's pretty dark now. As you can see, it's dark. So we are trying to go very slowly and probably will reach in like 10 minutes. So guys, we have reached this place and I'm feeling very hungry. So we just brought some food from home. So we're just warming up here on the gas, as you can see. The gas is on and we are cooking some chicken and some bread and we are going to have it for dinner. Hey, good morning guys. We just woke up and it's still a bit cold outside. Yesterday night I was very tired. I was not able to show you the bed actually. So we'll show you a glimpse of the bed in some time, but just have a look at the view outside. This is what you see from the window. So you wake up in the jungle and you see all around. So let me show you a glimpse of the bed now. So this is the bed. We did bring a blanket and a pillow, but they supply with blanket. So let's get our morning started. Swati is making some hot tea for us, and that will give us the energy to go out and explore the campground. I'm up now. Got refreshed, had a bath, and that's our camper van, which you're seeing there in the back. And this is the location site. It's pretty cool. It's completely a kind of jungle, and there is a beach around. We'll take a walk to go to the beach and explore this place. Come with me. So guys, we are at the beach, and as you can see behind me is the water. Obviously it is winter. I'm not very keen to go to the cold water, but you can see some surfers there exploring the cold water down. So guys, accommodation at Treachery camps is 3 types. So you can take a campsite where you can put your tent, or you can bring a caravan like us, or you can book these cabins which you see in the back. These are very cozy, but it does not give you the real camping experience. So your choice. So there is a small cafe which is there, which is called Tim's Cafe. So we are heading off to that cafe to get some coffee.
This is a barbecue, an Australian barbecue.
So what are we cooking, Rob?
Sausages. What sausages are all going at the moment?
I believe that's pork and apple and
Pork.
some halloumi.
Halloumi cheese.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
It's time.
Yeah.
So we'll just turn this.
Excellent. And
Yeah, hi.
what are we cooking here?
So, well, everyone else has, they've got snags on the barbie, and then we've got lamb chops, and the meat's cooking, and some skewers. So, me and I've got 2 salads.
Yeah, I've got a Chinese cabbage salad with Chinese noodles and like toasted nuts.
Excellent.
Yeah. And this one is everything. So, it's leafy, there's wild rocket, tomatoes, feta cheese, some buffalo mozzarella, things we picked up on our trip. So, along the way. So, let's have a couple of salads with our meat.
This looks delicious.
When you held my hand.